So this is a video of me and the family when I was in Jamaica. I was on holiday 2024 and I was visiting my hometown. This is Mandeville, Manchester, where all the hot gal them come from. So I was staying with my sister in Mandeville and we were heading to the country part of Manchester, which is Christiana End. And we were just talking about, how grateful and blessed we are as a family. And, we were just talking about things that we remember back in the days, growing up in school, how, we can plant and grow our own stuff. It was just amazing. We were just having a lovely chat. This is a journey from Mandeville to Walderstand. And then I'm going to have to upload other videos showing you other journeys that we went on while we were on our holiday. So we're going to head to a farm in Walderstand, and that's near to Christiana. But it also, you can branch off to Kabla on Sparlins. But this is going to be a little journey from Mandeville to Walderstand. All right, so hold tight. No lie, guys, it's been a while since I, ventured onto these areas. That way is Spur Tree Hill. My dad used to work at Alpart, so we used to venture down there a lot. Over this side now is Mile Gully where my grandma lived. And, my auntie's down there as well. And then we're going to turn here, which is Winston Jones Highway. We're going to go down here because we're going to cut through Kendall and then head up into the hills of Cool, Christiana. But hear me out now. This brings back so much memory. I used to go to school in Mandeville as well. So I used to have to take the bus every morning to come up and even to go home. So it was quite a journey for me, but it is a good journey because the memory still stand. And this hill was one of the hills them, man. This hills was one of the hills them prior up and prior down. Because below here, so we have the mud lake where Alcan used to deposit the waste after them, create the aluminum and stuff. So the caustic soda and all of them waste stuff used to go over into them bushes there over on the left side here. So, and the smell, you can smell the caustic soda. It's not pretty at all. So this journey back on this route, it just brought back a lot of memories, and there were really good memories. We have fun adventure with, when Daddy used to do, beach trips, and we used to have to get the car packed up with all the beach stuff, food and everything, and we used to do barbecue on the beach and head up the road, and we gone to Spur Tree Hill and we gone down to Front Hill. So our growing up in Jamaica was epic. So we're going to slide off to the road. Yes, so now we're going to head through. Look, mud lake over there. backside company put them waste. The backside company, not backside, backside. Oh, this is like mine.
And that's still like
Oh, wow! That must be far. That must be far to climb.
yeah, it takes 2 hours to go up on the hill to the top.
Top.
The top where that tower is.
Yes, yes. Oh my goodness, you go up to the top here.
We have
About 4 hours that then.
maybe 3.
Wow. Hey, look at this. You remember that used to carry? Oh my God. Kim, I didn't know this was in Jamaica. Now the music over to you. Because the GoPro was outside of the car, it was making a lot of noise, so I couldn't actually get to record our conversations and stuff because it was just making pure noise. Me just did a full dry myself. Look at the coconut tree pretty in the sunlight. So anyways, me just did a full dry myself, so me never realized that makes so much noise. But now you learn as you grow in it. But yeah, this is Kendall Road. Them don't really come through here so a lot. Them take the highway mostly, but a lot of cars, my sister says, still come down here, and you know, people still use this as their route because this is what they're used to. But yeah, this road used to be like, oh my goodness, prior, because a lot of accidents used to happen on the road here. So I never used to like it when you pack up in the bus and thing. Anyways, we will come down near to the police station now, and where is the police station is where the Kendall crash happened. The train rail did over that side, and we are gonna have a bridge as well where you have to go under. That's the train track bridge, you know what I mean? So they said the crash did happen and things, so it'll come up in a minute. But yeah, the car feel like it'll go fast, but it not go fast at all. We were just full drying the breeze and everything, my hand in the air. So anyways, now we are come up round to the road. Let me show you a thing or two. The police station is up on the right side. Come down the hill yet. See the bridge now. This is the bridge here, so where the train did go over, and boom, everybody lost their, you know. That was horrible. That was really horrible. We are come down to the foot of Kendall Road now, and then we have a branch off, and Alcan is coming up on your right hand side. If you look over there, so you see Alcan over there. So down here, so now we are gonna come on to the road, and we're gonna go here, so you can go from here, so you can turn at the end of the road here, so you can also go to Mile Gully, so you can turn left yourself and go Mile Gully as well. No. But we're gonna turn right because we're going up to yeah. And we're gonna pass Pick a Pepper on the left hand side over here, so which is the factory. So this is where you get all on the hot spices and sauces and over here, so right there. So Daddy having best friend over there, so we never yet have to buy none. We always get them in an abundance, so we always have Pick a Pepper. Thank God for that. So anyways, now we're gonna turn left here, so, and we're gonna head up to Shooters Hill, Williamsfield down there, so, and also Alcan to the right side of this road. So this is Shooters Hill. All right.
Was just bush, right? And the British used to come here. Yeah, the British. This is the British parish. Of course. The British used to come up here, the rich people, and shoot wild hogs as a hobby.
Wow.
So that's why they call it
So you heard my sister gave you the brief history that the local resident knows about Shooters Hill in Manchester, Jamaica. Some of the history that she's given you, you don't know about it if you research. But I'm going to give you some of the history that is well known all over the world about Shooters Hill in Manchester, Jamaica. Shooters Hill holds a historical and cultural significance as a part of Jamaicans' rich heritage. While Shooters Hill is not documented as much like other towns, it reflects the legacy of rural development, emancipation, and community resilience in the parish of Manchester. Let's look at the location and geography of Shooters Hill. Shooters Hill is a rural district located in the parish of Manchester, Jamaica. It is known for its lush greenery, rolling hills, and cool climate. Manchester itself was established in the 1814 and is one of Jamaica's most agricultural productive regions. Shooters Hill fits into the narrative, contributing to the parish's farming and community life. Let's look at some of the historical content that the world may know about Shooters Hill. The original name of Shooters Hill, as my sister explained to you, was derived from the British influence. They came and they colonized the country, and it was possible for them to go up into the hills to start looking for food. And their food was best known as the wild boar hogs. So Shooters Hill was derived from the British influence. And although they had colonized the country, the whole parish, the whole area, they were better known to kill boar hogs in that area. That's where they used to do a lot of shooting for the boar hogs. So after abolition of slavery in 1838, Manchester became home to many free African Jamaicans. Shooters Hill likely developed as one of the rural settlements where formerly enslaved people sought to build self-reliant communities. These settlements were characterized by small-scale farming and strong community ties. Even today, they still have that. My dad is a farmer and he will never stop being a farmer. Let's look at some of the culture and community preservance. Shooters Hill has remained a symbol of rural Jamaican life. Over the years, it has been a place where traditional values are preserved, include farming practices, local crafts, and a sense of togetherness. You know, anywhere you go into the world, it represents your place where you were brought up. You know, anywhere you bring up, you represent that. Communities in such areas often maintain oral history and traditions, reflecting the cultural heritage of Jamaicans' African ancestry. This is so ideal because mommy always say, dance a yard before you dance abroad. So anywhere you go in the world, it's going to represent where you're coming from. And that's why I'm so, engaged in my farming, my preserving of my culture and all that other stuff. So that's a little brief history of, Shooters Hill in Manchester, Jamaica. And now we're heading our way to Walderstand. Welcome to Walderstand, guys. And we are almost at our destination. So yes, this is a beautiful video. And I wanted to showcase a lot of different things that we did on our holiday. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you on the next one. We're going to the farm now, guys. Stay tuned.
What we are going to do now. What we are going to do now. That's the only thing with these kind of roads, because we can't.
Because of the bed?
Morning. Yeah, man, you wave him hand. Yeah. In Jamaica, you have to watch the body language and the facial signals too, you see?
No, that's what I'm telling you. I'm not a single bed, a long bed.
single bed. They may not say it, but they may wave their hand or they may do something. I always have to
sit down, honey. Just sit down, honey. Just hold it. Hold it, man. Just hold it. This is like my bed. Fling you over there, son.
This is like a little trek. The boat, the restaurant, the bull, the restaurant, man. One of the boats. Destiny, this is proper life. Yeah.
You don't have an experience when you go to
No, but like the fun part of it.
where do you go? Toy Cross with the giraffe.
Yes. Welcome to Tiny Brain, my favorite place.
And it's a 15-acre land, me look.
This is 30.
30 or 15, me look. I said, I want to go see first and see. I don't want to buy my land.
Nice, man. Nice.
And I'm going to buy it next year.
Nice.
We do my holistic habitat. This is beauty. So who lives here?
Dr. Evan is here.
Is this her house?
It's a he in the car.